Good afternoon, everybody. It is Dan Kruger from DK Fitness, where we help people achieve their fitness and weight loss goals in a fun and sustainable way through optimized nutrition. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make the famous DK Fitness chocolate chip cookies. Let's get into it. Alright, cookies are done. They only take about 10 minutes to bake, so keep a close eye on them. You cook them at about 350 degrees, and ideally you're going to want to put these onto parchment paper, not tinfoil like we did, but we were out of that. So if you do use tinfoil, make sure you spray a little bit of non-stick oil on the tinfoil. And we are sitting at about 139 calories per cookie. These are pretty clean. We've got 5 grams of fat, which is incredibly low for a cookie. We've got 14 grams of carbohydrates. These are going to have significantly more fiber than most cookies because of the oat flour that we use, and they're also going to have significantly less sugar because we're using stevia for the sweetener as opposed to traditional regular old sugar, and a lot of that natural sweetness is going to come in from the bananas as well. And there's going to be about 10 grams of protein in each cookie. So that's a really good mix. So these are a great way to get a healthy cookie in if you are having some cravings and you want something chocolatey and sweet. I always recommend sprinkling a little bit of sea salt on right before you throw them into the oven. The nice thing about these is there's so much fiber in there that when you eat one, you don't have a craving to go eat more and more and more because you actually get full and satisfied from these. So they're fantastic. Throw them into your mix and let me know if you guys like them in the comments below. And if you guys want to see more recipe videos like this, cruise on over to dkrugerfitness.com and check out the recipes section. And if you guys are interested in one-on-one coaching, working with me directly and nailing down this diet thing once and for all and getting those results as quickly as possible, message me at dkruger@dkrugerfit.com and we will get you started. I'll see you guys in the next video.